Hello friends, in this very short video tutorial, you will learn how to send emails using Gmail. First of all, you have to open Gmail. For this, you just have to open Google. Then click on Gmail or right here in search bar Gmail. And then click on Gmail Google. And then click on Sign In. A page will appear in front of you, where you have to write your Gmail ID. I will write here my Gmail ID. Click Next or press Enter. Then write here your password. Then click on Next or press Enter. Then your Google Workspace or your Gmail page will be open. You see that my Gmail account has been opened. Then I will click on How to click on Compose. A dialog box will appear on the screen as new message. In this, you have first option is to, other option is subject. In the dialog box with two option, you have to write the email address, which you want to send your email. For example, I write here, and then you have to write subject. In subject, you will write what kind of mail you are sending. Like I am sending my thesis. Then I will write here theses, and then here, you can write greetings or something you want. Like I write here, Sir, please find the attachment file. And then you have to click on this attach file, the file which you want to attach. Click on this and then select your file. Like I click on the folder desktop. And there I will select the file. Like there are many files, I will click on this file, then click on Open. The file is loading and then just simply click on Send. And the file has been sent. You can undo this message by clicking on Undo. And after a few seconds, this dialog will disappear from your screen, guys. Now I will sign out my account. I hope you have learned in this video how to send email using your Gmail account. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Take care.